Hey friends, Kendra here. Welcome back to my channel, you guys. If you're new here, my name is Kendra and I do lifestyle, beauty, fashion, and some travel videos for you guys. So if you like what you see, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and while you're at it, ring my bell so you don't miss any of my future uploads. So today's video is exciting for me. Okay, we're gonna try this again. Okay, as you guys know, a couple of weeks ago, I tried to color my hair. I tried to color the ends with a semi-permanent color. However, that does not quite work for me, because I am locking my hair, as you guys know, and I only use clarifying shampoos. The first wash after coloring, that time, it all washed out and the green is back. It was basically a midnight blue that I just deposited over my hair. I expected it to wash out with, 3 or 4 or 5 washes, but not after the first wash. So we're going a different route today. We're doing permanent hair color. But I first want to let you guys know that this video is sponsored by Revlon. So shout out to Revlon for partnering with me on this video. Talking to you guys about the Revlon Total Color. It's their new Total Color Clean and Vegan Nourishing Cream Formula. This is a permanent hair color, you guys, and I'm so excited about it. It's a cream color, so it's not going to be really messy. If you guys know anything about locks and the beginning stages of locks, you're not supposed to color your hair. However, she don't follow the rules. She don't follow the rules, okay? Now, we're only going to be putting this on the ends of my hair, and then I'm going to be placing it at the root right here where all of my gray hairs are, you guys. I want to get rid of these gray hairs. Oh! So right now my hair is dry. It is not completely clean because the directions say do not shampoo immediately before coloring your hair. I want to go ahead and color it today, so I don't have time to shampoo it, so I figured I can wait a couple more weeks, okay, to shampoo my hair. Now, this Revlon Total Color does not have any ammonia, 0% ammonia, which is great. No parabens, sulfates, silicones, mineral oils, glutens, which is also great. 100% gray coverage, long-lasting color, vibrance. Clean and vegan, nourishing cream formula, which is great. It's gentle on your hair, respectful of your scalp, dermatologist tested formula. It seems like a pretty safe color to use. We're gonna check it out, you guys. I chose the darkest brown because that is my natural hair color. We're going for the natural look. So I'm gonna go ahead and braid and band my hair just like I did the last time I colored my hair. It's gonna make it a lot easier, and it's gonna allow me to focus on the sections that I need to actually color, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and braid and band, and then I'm gonna come back and then we're gonna apply the color. So stay tuned. All right, you guys, so I went ahead and braided and banded my hair. I'm gonna pop on these gloves so that I don't get this cream color all over me. And let me just give y'all an up close look at the color so that you know what we're dealing with, okay? And then also let you know how we're gonna be coloring, which sections we're gonna be coloring and where. So if you can see on the ends of my hair, do you see that? These green little ends from bleaching about 1.5 years ago. All right, I'm going to be dyeing those the same color as my roots. All right, so I've sectioned off the sections that we're going to be dyeing. And these are all of the sections with the green ends, okay? Now, in the very back of my hair, does not need to be colored because it is free of any color. All right, so I'm going to turn around and show you guys. So everything that I had in this little ponytail is not going to be touched because there is no color there. It's just my natural color. All right, and then we're going to be doing some spot gray coverage. So these 1, 2, 3, I'm going to be spot graying the roots. All right, and I made sure I braided and banded really tight so that I don't have any issues with slippage. All right, these 3 I'm going to be spot touched for gray coverage. All right, so we're gonna see how it covers the gray, and we're gonna see how it covers the green, girl. So this is the true test of time, all right? So as you know, there's 3 steps to this color, all right? Step 1 is the color developer. Step 2 is the cream color, and then step 3 is the botanical enriched conditioning gloss. So we're gonna set this to the side. So I'm gonna mix step 1 and step 2 inside the step 1 bottle. I'm just gonna squeeze it in there as the directions say. Okay, so I'm gonna put some on my finger, and then I'm gonna go in and just kind of gray spot correct. All right, so I made sure that I braided my hair really tight to prevent any slippage. And I realized that I have braided this tight, so I'm gonna really try to get it down in the braids, okay? Let's see what happens. Gray is so stubborn, you guys. Like, my gray hair doesn't even lay down. It just curls up. So we'll see how well I'm able to get it in there. But I'm definitely going to try. And the true test is going to be rinsing this out. So I'm going to be rinsing for a while. All right, so that's 1.
All right, you guys, so I am just going to finish working this into the ends of my hair. And once I'm done working it into my hair, I'm going to let this sit for about 25 minutes as the directions suggest. And once the 25 minutes is over, I'm going to rinse it out. So I made sure that I rinsed it really, really well because, yeah, I don't want any dye left over in my hair. I went ahead and used step 3, the conditioner, let it sit on for about 5 minutes, and then I rinsed my hair again. I only applied it to the ends of my hair, okay? And before I took the braids out, I made sure my hair was like 90% dry to prevent any slippage. And this is pretty much what I have come out with, you guys. I'm absolutely loving it. It looks so good. It looks healthy again, right? I am so glad I got rid of those green ends because I'm loving the way the color looks on my hair. It looks a lot healthier. It looks vibrant and looks shiny. And now I can just continue on with my lock journey without a problem. That was the main thing that was like, making me feel some type of way about my hair was that color. Let me know what you think about the color. I think it matches my natural color perfectly. And also check the description box for information on this color. Everything will be down there for you guys. And I will talk to you guys down below in the comment section. Bye, guys.